Welcome to Decoded Science, where complex concepts are made simple.
How can AI create a realistic image from nothing but a simple sentence?
The technology behind this magic is called a diffusion model. It learns to turn noise into meaningful images. First, an image is gradually filled with noise. Then the model learns to reverse that process, removing the noise step by step. This is called forward diffusion. Controlled Gaussian noise is added over many small steps until the original image disappears.
During generation, the process runs backward. Starting from random noise, the AI repeatedly predicts and removes noise until an image appears.
Inside the system, components like the U-net, noise scheduler, cross-attention, and latent space work together to guide the denoising process. Modern systems, such as Stable Diffusion, make this process more efficient by performing diffusion in a compressed latent space. Compared with older approaches like GANs, diffusion models offer strong image quality, diversity, and more stable training.
And diffusion models are not limited to art. They are being explored for video, audio, medicine, drug discovery, robotics, and scientific research.
But this power also brings challenges: high computing costs, slow generation, copyright concerns, bias, and realistic deepfakes.
As researchers make diffusion faster and more capable, the technology could reshape image, video, science, and many other fields.